Hi guys, hello and welcome to my channel. Today I have an awesome snack item for you guys. It is egg pakoda, also known as egg bhaji. It is a very popular dish and one of my favorites. So without wasting any more time, let's get started.
I am going to use 4 eggs today for this dish. Now let me put the eggs one by one into a bowl filled with water. Make sure that the water level is just about enough to immerse the eggs completely. As you can see, the eggs are almost completely immersed in water. Now let's boil them in medium flame for around 10 minutes. The eggs seem to have been boiled properly. Heat around 2 tablespoons of cooking oil in a small bowl. Now add 1 teaspoon of red chili and 1 teaspoon of black pepper and about half teaspoon of turmeric or haldi powder and around 1 teaspoon of salt. I had already peeled off the egg shells, so let me add them one by one into the bowl. Make sure to add the eggs quickly and make sure the bowl is under low flame, as we do not want the masala to start burning. Let me stir the eggs so that the masala gets coated on it properly. Looks like the masala has been coated properly. Let me now take out the eggs from the bowl. Now it's time for us to cut the eggs into 2 pieces. Now I am sprinkling some pepper . Time to add a pinch of salt . Now it's time for us to prepare the pakoda batter. Take a bowl and add around 1 cup of besan powder into it. Next, I am going to add around half teaspoon of red chili, around 1 teaspoon of pepper powder. Now I am adding around half teaspoon of turmeric or haldi powder. Now add around 1 teaspoon of jeera powder, some salt. Now let's mix everything together. Now let me add some water to make it into a paste. You may need approximately quarter to half a cup of water. You'll need to keep adding water till the pakoda batter becomes slightly watery. The pakoda batter is ready. As you can see, the batter is neither too thick nor too watery. Now let me add some oil into a bowl. You'll need to add sufficient quantity of oil into the bowl so that we are able to dip the eggs completely into the oil, thereby making it easier for us to fry them. Let's dip the eggs one by one into the pakoda batter and let's fry them in hot oil. Fry the eggs in medium flame so that it doesn't get overcooked and becomes black in color. If you feel that the oil has become too hot, then simply switch off the flame for some time. Let's make sure that the eggs are completely immersed in the oil so that the pakodas are fried evenly. Let's fry the pakodas till they become deep brown in color. Our pakodas seem to be done, as can be seen from their deep brown color. Let me take them out of the bowl. And that's it. Our egg pakoda or egg bhaji is ready to be served.
I hope you enjoyed this video. Do try this at home and let me know your feedbacks in the comment section below. Don't forget to click the like button, subscribe to my channel and click the bell icon to get notified on more such videos. So I'll see you all in the next video. Until then, goodbye.